guys. Firstly, I want to say a great thank you for all of you joining the new Facebook group. It's awesome that you can come on this journey with me. Basically, Nectorclean is created to solve many of the solutions you cleaning business owners face. I'm here to really, really solve those problems for you and make it easier for you to get access to the commercial work you've always been wanting to get, and to be able to build your business by also having staff that you can hire and contractors you can hire every time. So without further ado, I wanted to kind of show you how we've added some new boxes to our new request section of the site. This is where a property manager might come in and sign up. They would then click the new request button once they need a specific clean to be done. It would then load up. Now, once it loads up, I've already shown this before in previous videos, but they'll type in their organization name and details. Let's say they need let's make it a weekly clean, right? Let's say, for instance, they're currently looking for, we'll go with office cleaning, because I know office cleaning is the holy grail of the commercial cleaning industry. Everyone wants a good office clean. And then they will be able to also describe their service. So we've got different options. When you press C, it comes up with the different options of commercial cleaning that they might need, making it easy for the user to choose it. So we'll go, just type cleaning services just for the demo right now. Then let's say the budget is 1,000. So here's the new boxes we've added. We've added square meter of building. So you'd have to go in, do a walkthrough, and see the building. Instead of doing that, at least you can now have the number of square meters, where it'll give you a certain gauge of what you're going into. So it'll help you to price before go in and actually check out the building. This will help you when they're putting in their budget to actually see if it's something that's profitable for you or not. So we've given you the option to decline and accept jobs based on this criteria. So let's go ahead and say the square meter of the entire office cleaning building they want to clean is 200 square meters, for instance. Now, we've also added a number of couple boxes just to describe what they mean, because sometimes it can be very vague. Let's say 200 square meters, 1,000 budget. Maybe you don't price like that. Maybe you price differently per worker per hour. So we want to make sure you have enough information to see if the job they're posting is actually profitable for your business. So number of spaces is another one we put. Let's say it's a 200 meter square building, but 200 meter square space, but the spaces are kind of, different and located in different sections, and there's more area to clean, so it takes you longer. So then your pricing's out of whack. So they have to actually mention the number of spaces they have. So let's say it's a 200 square meter building, but they have like 10 to 12 spaces. So you'll be able to gauge how long that needs cleaning. And then now we have number of floors. So number of floors will basically tell you how many floors there are. So it might be a one-story building. It might be it might be a 3-story building. It might be one of those big buildings in the city, 50-story building. So let's say it's a three-floor building. So they might have maybe 50 staff working in the office. So that will give you a gauge of how many areas that they need to clean. So it gives you more, it's painting more of a story and a picture in your mind. Number of rooms, let's say there's number of rooms, there's about 10 rooms. Let's say, for instance, number of windows, if they need windows cleaned as well. I know in many janitorial services they might want the windows kind of glistened or wiped down if they are wanting a little bit of an extra sort of service, just to know that you care and you're giving something extra. So if they say the window is 8 windows, number of offices, so they might have 50 employees, so maybe they have like 2 employees per office, maybe sharing kind of office space, and let's say it's about 25. So let's say they're in Western Australia, they're in Perth. So this, we've actually put in a geo location update, which has located all the city, states, and countries that that are cleaning customers might be from, so that anyone who cleans in different areas, people will inquire based on your area. So don't worry, you'll also get jobs. We're just picking Perth now just for an example. So we'll scroll all the way down to P. Actually, so many areas in Western Australia, it's crazy. For this example, what I might do is just click any of these cities here, just for example's sake. Okay. Cool. So another thing, what we might add here is the ability for a property manager or office manager to actually upload the pictures of the environment. I think that will be very helpful for you cleaning business, just so you can actually physically see the spaces they want cleaned. Now, please comment below in the Facebook section where I'm going to upload this video if you think that we should actually add in a section where a property manager, for instance, will upload photos so you can actually see with the physical eye where the areas are they needing cleaned, so that you know if it's profitable enough for you to take the job. Just comment in the sections below so we know that's something that you guys want in the groups. So now we go click submit, and it would load to a thank you page. So now it's loaded to a thank you page. So your request has successfully been received. So now our system goes into the matching logic where they've put in those details, and now those details will use our matching logic to match up with the right cleaning company with location, the right police clearance, the insurance level, the right sort of budget. Is it the right budget for the certain cleaning company? Do they have enough employees to actually run that office quickly? So our system does its thing, and then it'll send it to the right company. Now I'll show you what it will say on the other side of a cleaning company. So just go ahead here and log into the cleaning company section, which I have saved here. Click log in. Yeah, I think it'll definitely be beneficial for us to add a section where they can upload the photos of the actual spaces so you guys can see that with the physical eye. I think that'll be an important part to add to our platform. But again, please comment in the comments below if that's something that you think we should add into the platform on Facebook, in the groups or on our pages. So you guys will be able to see the assign request section on your profile once you have a membership with us. And this is where you will see the status. Let's say just the new request we just did would come into your profile sections into categories, say it was office cleaning, commercial cleaning, their number of employees, their budget, their address, and it will give you the ability to decline or accept that request. Let's say you accept it, for instance, and it's profitable for you to actually go out and do that job. then load up, and it says accept. So you've now accepted the job. So now you can actually go view status to see more details about the job and see like the description of those boxes that I described in the new request section. Once it loads up. So there you go. You've got all their company details, their budget, their phone number, address, the frequency they want the cleaning. Then you've got the square meter of building, you've got the number of rooms, you've got the number of spaces, you've got the number of windows, floors, and offices they want cleaned. So what I might do now is add another section where you actually have the ability to see the pictures of the actual building or office spaces they want cleaned. This will paint a picture for you to know if you need to accept or decline that job and if it's actually profitable for you to take that on. So then you're moving forward, doing more things and solving a lot of problems. Thank you.